Welcome you all to the Daily Crypto News channel. We are committed to bringing a minimum of one video per day informing you about what's happening in the crypto space. We encourage you to comment on us so that it will help us to put more quality videos as you like us to do. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get regular notifications when we post new videos. With cheers, Maithari. Bittrex Global's IO platform starting block gears up for YellowHeart debut. Bittrex Global, a leading digital asset exchange, welcomes the YellowHeart Protocol, an NFT platform poised to disrupt the ticketing and music industries, to its initial exchange offering, IO platform, Bittrex Global Starting Block. By using blockchain technologies, the YellowHeart Protocol is transforming what tickets can do and how they are created, sold, and resold. Through the protocol, tickets are now offered as non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and enhanced with new capabilities enabled by the HRTS, pronounced Hearts, utility token. In contrast to traditional tickets, NFT tickets offer music, video, and engaging experiences. They enable artists to communicate directly with their fans and provide artists and venues with a share of the proceeds anytime a ticket is resold. The YellowHeart Protocol was created to bring together an entire ecosystem composed of fans, artists, sports teams, brands, venues, event promoters, and more to participate in this leap forward. This community comes together at the YellowHeart NFT marketplace, which can be accessed online at YellowHeart.io or via the YellowHeart mobile app for iOS and Android. In addition to ticket NFTs, the YellowHeart marketplace also offers music NFTs, collectible NFTs, and community NFTs. It is already the premier place for musicians to participate in the NFT revolution, where artists like Maroon 5, the Beatles, and XXXTentacion are being joined by a rapidly growing community of creators. With the launch of the HRTS token, anyone can now join this community. HRTS token holders will be able to engage with each other in innovative ways, creating a decentralized, peer-to-peer platform for ticketing and entertainment. We are proud to be the YellowHeart ecosystem's founding member and technology provider, said Josh Katz, founder and CEO of YellowHeart LLC. We are pleased to have selected YellowHeart as the first project to be launched on Starting Block. It displays strong signs of promise in the new world of Web3 ticketing and music, and we are happy to support and generate more awareness around this project through our IO platform, said Stephen Sternberg, CEO of Bittrex Global. After our team drove an exhaustive, multi-month IO qualification process, HRTS was selected as the first project to debut on Starting Block for many reasons, including the quality of its token utility value, fully diluted valuation, circulating supply and demand balance, product roadmap, team experience, brand, and partner accomplishments. We're excited for the future of the YellowHeart Protocol and think the addition of the HRTS token to the Bittrex global ecosystem will add significant value for all of our users, especially for those who are lucky enough to get into the IO, said Chris Sinke, Listing Director and Chief Business Officer at Bittrex Global. Emerging projects looking to IO can utilize and leverage Bittrex Global's reputation as one of the most secure digital asset exchanges in the world, committed to using advanced security protocols while remaining compliant with a wide range of regulatory measures across the globe. The YellowHeart Protocol, HRTS, token sale will launch at 13 o'clock UTC on 10th May 2022 on Bittrex Global Starting Block. About YellowHeart Protocol. The YellowHeart Protocol uses blockchain and NFT technologies to disrupt the ticketing industry and transform how artists and fans connect. About YellowHeart LLC. YellowHeart LLC is a technology provider and launch partner for the YellowHeart platform. Its marketplace for ticket NFTs, music NFTs, and community tokens attracts premier artists such as the Kings of Leon, Maroon 5, XXXTentacion, Brandy Carlile, ZHU, and more. About Bittrex Global. Bittrex Global, the most secure digital asset exchange in the world, serves both retail and institutional clients globally. Committed to helping users build wealth, Bittrex Global facilitates the purchase and trade of over 250 tokens. Through its use of cutting-edge technology, advanced security protocols, and a sophisticated elastic multi-stage wallet strategy, the company provides a high-level experience for professional and novice customers alike. Bittrex Global is a key player in driving widespread adoption of secure and decentralized methods to building wealth while remaining compliant and adhering to the wide array of regulatory measures across the globe. Bittrex Global GmbH is registered with the Financial Market Authority under Law of 3 October 2019 on tokens and TT service providers (TVTG) in Liechtenstein to operate as a TT exchange service provider, TT token depository, and token issuer on behalf and for the account of third parties. Bittrex Global, Bermuda Limited is regulated by the Bermuda Monetary Authority and licensed as a Class F digital asset business under the Bermuda Digital Asset Business Act 2018 to operate as a digital asset exchange, provide custodial wallet services, and operate as a digital asset derivative exchange provider. MetaShooter, a decentralized blockchain-based hunting metaverse. MetaShooter, a Play-To-Earn Hunting Metaverse, continues to take major steps towards taking the Play-To-Earn Hunting Metaverse to never level. As it moves towards the launch of its IDO on the 21st of April and the Token General Event, TG, will be held on the same day. MetaShooter, the first decentralized blockchain-based unique hunting metaverse built on the blockchain and Unreal Engine. By releasing the project, the team joins millions of gaming enthusiasts in a global community of gamers where they have the prospect of experiencing realistic hunting while developing skills they can monetize. With its unique project, the MetaShooter team will increase interest in the crypto market by innovating play-to-earn games with its brand of P2E games that can solve problems that are associated with the industry, such as illogical ecosystem, boring gameplay, lack of visuals, actual utilization of rewards, and so on. MetaShooter strength: the opportunity to develop and buy hunting lands. Players can build towers, breed NFT dogs, and explore the hunting world. They can earn passive income while hunting. They can also hunt various animals and experience realistic dynamics and stunning visuals. They will receive token rewards by winning tournaments or hunting trophies. The opportunity to experience real hunting and play in tournaments. MetaShooter features: the team offers distinct features. For a start, it will deliver sharp graphics that give users a real-life hunting experience. They can complete missions, challenges, hunt, and earn rewards. The game also has a chat session, leaderboards where players can communicate with their counterparts elsewhere. MetaShooter is developing a proper metaverse on blockchain. Players aren't stuck to a strategy. They have the resources to develop their hunting strategies, become more effective at hunting, and increase their chances of winning tournaments and hunting trophies. Its impressive 50 square kilometers of gaming space is reminiscent of the Grand Auto Theft 5 game. Seed sale. The team has just completed its seed sale, which it raised in a few days and was overbooked almost 3 times the raised amount. The project received huge interest from top-tier VCs and launchpads. Partnerships. The MetaShooter team has partnered with big companies such as Master Ventures, Bluzilla, Ascendix Ventures, Metavest Capital, Good Games Guild, GGG, Zignally, Kangaroo Capital, FishDAO, KPC, Zelvin, and a bunch of others. Some launchpads such as Ignition Paid Network, BSCPad, Babylons, Starter XYZ, Polypad, Blockpad, Blocktopia, and Communitas have also shown interest in the project by partnering with the team. To add, MetaShooter reached many other partnerships regarding game development, gaming guilds, esports arenas, and so on, like Earn Guild, GG Arena, GGG, Yield Yeti, Speed Tree, Nvidia, Polygon Studios, and etc. Listing. MetaShooter is already confirmed for listing on exchanges such as Bitmart, MEXC, AscendEX. To add, the team is finalizing Munt token listing with Gate.io. Another great update should come soon. MetaShooter team is on the final discussion stage with best CEXs like Huobi, KuCoin, and Bybit regarding Munt listing. Stay tuned. Game development. The game development is slated for April-May. The alpha version will be released for guild members, early investors, invitation key holders, and NFT badge holders. Players can earn NFTs and other cool rewards by completing missions and challenges. In alpha, players will be able to experience one of the MetaShooter's hunting regions, which will offer many activities already. They can also stake the MetaShooter's token, Munt, on their dashboard. On the launch day, the token utility will be already in use. Milestones. Game that are connected with the Munt token and NFT assets are referred to as demo and should be available within the next 3 to 4 months. The mobile version of the game and the full game should be available between the next 6 to 9 months, while the open world VR version is slated for next year. The release date will be announced later. Full game will consist of all gameplay modes and technologies which MetaShooter will use. Gensokishi online project announces decision to list MV token on KuCoin and campaign. Gensokishi is excited to announce that $MV Polygon USDT trading pair will list on KuCoin at 20th April 2020 to 18 o'clock UTC, a leading cryptocurrency exchange in the world. Gensokishi is going to have various campaigns to celebrate the trading pair listing. No more details. Please check the campaign page on KuCoin. About KuCoin. KuCoin is a cryptocurrency exchange established in 2017 and located in Hong Kong. KuCoin has a large selection of crypto assets that are only listed on KuCoin and are very popular worldwide. Due to 2022-4-14, it ranks 5th trading volume in the world. About Gensokishi Online. Gensokishi Online Metaworld is a gamify and metaverse incarnation of the award-winning Nintendo Switch PS4 game Elemental Knights. The iconic game has a 14 years history and has accumulated a total of 8 million downloads worldwide. It already has a 3D MOP game with active users, with a fully functioning 3D metaverse that simultaneously connects users from around the world, be it smartphones, PCs, or video game consoles. The game recently announced its collaboration with gaming legend Yoshitaka Amano to design its first NFT collection. To date, Gensokishi has set various records, including a record-breaking IDO on TrustPad, 20 seconds on FCFS, and the largest number of staking participants in the history of Bybit's launch pool with 69,000 people and over $200 million in TVL. The token was listed on Bybit on 27 January and ranked third above at XRP Sand Luna in 24-hour volume 1 week later. It has grown 40x since the listing. Welcome to the Rond Whitelist Volume 2. We welcome you to the second round of the Rond private sale. Due to a lot of requests, we have prepared $10,000 in Rond. For each task you complete in this campaign, you will earn points. The more points you have, the more likely you are to win, so please collect as many points as possible. 100 winners will receive the right to participate in the $100 RON token private sale. Take advantage of this opportunity to get the rare RON tokens, which at the moment can only be obtained by staking MV. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for regular notifications when we post a new video. If you like the content, kindly share this video with your friends and press the like button. Happy learning!